Hi, my name is Matt Wegworth. I'm the Public Works Director, City Engineer for the City of Grand Rapids. I'm here today to talk about the Roundabout project at 7th Avenue, which is Airport Road to some, and River Road. The main project is the construction of a roundabout where the signal is at Airport Road and River Road. The purpose of the project is to eliminate the only city-owned traffic signal in town. It is outdated and needs to be replaced, and the best solution to do that is to install a roundabout. These are longer-term, lower maintenance costs, higher safety ratings, improvements in crashes. The project is being joint with the county. It's tied in with the River Road project that was completed last year. The project will begin with the closure on June 5th, Monday, June 5th. That intersection will be closed. Traffic will be detoured over to 169 in Pekegama. You'll start to see traffic control being set up around May 24th. You'll start to see changes around town for that. About 2 weeks into the project, though, we will be constructing a bypass road, which will be on the northwest corner, and it'll allow traffic to get through the intersection from the west and from the north. This will hopefully help alleviate some of the congestion on Pekegama Avenue during the middle portion of the project. That bypass will not be open at the beginning 2 weeks and probably the last month while we finish constructing the roundabout. The other part that's tied in with this to help with congestion is traffic control changes at Pekegama Avenue and Highway 2, so our main intersection downtown. There will be changes there to help with traffic flow, get cars moving through the intersection as quickly as possible. So you'll start to see that set up May 24th, and that'll be set up for the duration of the project. If you have any more questions about the project, you can go to the city website under the engineering tab. There are some maps, the Detour maps, and other information about dates and the project. And so you feel free to stop there and check those out.